industry chatter. Nimesh, what's the sense? It's a good day, it's a green day, but what's the sense on flows?
I think it's a good day, more like a relief day for the markets. You know, the kind of relentless selling we've seen for the last many days. So it is a bit of a relief day, so to speak, largely on back of global cues and a bit of short covering as well. In terms of flows, again, it's a mixed day, but the selling intensity is much lower compared to what we've been seeing for the last many days. The bank nifty is up more than 500 points, but again, the feedback there is selective selling in the private bank stocks. So that, again, from the flow point of view, there is some bit of supply coming in the bank's names. I guess the big event to watch is the Fed outcome tomorrow. That, I guess, will set a tone not only for the Indian markets, for the global markets as well. So there is the feedback is there could be a scope for further short covering rally for the Indian markets, given the fact that the FIs are net short, aggressively for Indian markets as well. So that's the overall hope that maybe you'll see a further short covering rally in days to come. I guess 16,800 is acting as a very strong support in the Nifty. So given that as a big support, there is a chance that maybe you'll see a bit of a pullback rally. So that's kind of more of a hope. But two things. One, from a flow point of view, there is still supply coming in the financial names. That's the overall feedback. But the sense is maybe post the FMC outcome, you might see a bit of a relief rally, largely on short covering.
And let's see what they do, because first the fear was they'll do 50 basis point. Then in fact, now there is a fear, suppose they don't do anything, then they're going to be confused. You know, I think bang in the middle, 25 basis points will be the best possible outcome.
That's the expected outcome.
Yeah, 70-75% as of now. But Nimesh, you told us about Devyani. An hour or so ago, we had a large trade that took place out there. What all are you picking up?
So 3% equity has changed hands. You know, that was a sense I had picked up last week as well. So 9th of March, we had highlighted that there is going to be a large block. And I believe from a selling point of view, it looks like the private equity investor was a seller in today's block. Doesn't look like a clean out trade, but a large sell from the private equity is what I understand in Devyani today. So disclosure will be important. So that's the first one. The second stock is ICICI Pru Life. After a long time, some bit of buying traction is back in the insurance names. And while HDFC Life is a bigger gainer, but in terms of Pru Life, the sense is there are buy flows at an FI desk in ICICI Pru Life, and hence a big move in that stock today. The third stock is Greenlam. Even in Greenlam, there is a large block, nearly 3% equity changing hands. And while not much clarity on the details, but disclosure will be important. The sense is that maybe the promoter entity was on the sell side, so that clarity would be very important in Greenlam today. So that's the third one. And the last stock is Interglobe Aviation. Again, this is one stock which largely benefits from lower crude prices. Stock has been consolidating, but now Citi has today put out a report on the stock. They've upgraded the stock to a buy from sell, and they've also added a 90-day positive catalyst watch on the stock. So maybe on back of that, some bit of buying traction is back in Interglobe Aviation, and hence that's the fourth stock to watch out for.
Interesting list of